Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use count, COUNTA and COUNTBLANK formulas in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Open Excel 2007. Here I have prepared some data. Normally in Excel, when we select the range of cells with numbers, automatically we will get various results like average, count and sum on status bar. Also, we can use count, COUNTA and COUNTBLANK formulas depending on our needs. First, let's use count function. Select any cell and type the following formula equal to count. Here we need to select the range of cells. Close the bracket, enter. Then it will show the count of the cells with numbers. Count function counts only the cells containing numbers. It ignores blank cells and cells containing anything but a number. Let's check it with the text. It will not count cells with text and even blank cells. And if we add a apostrophe before a number, it will consider it as text and don't count it as number. Again, if we remove the apostrophe, it will count as number. Also, we have COUNTA function which counts cells that are not empty. It includes numbers, text, error values and blank spaces in the cells, but it will not count empty or blank cells. In the third column, we have text, numbers and formula, and I want to add some space in a cell by pressing spacebar. And after that, select a cell and type the following formula equal to COUNTA. Select the cell range, close the bracket, enter. Then it will count all the cells except blank cells. Let's add some text. And the COUNTA function counts that cell. Unlike count and COUNTA, COUNTBLANK helps to find out the blank cells within a selected range. Select a cell and type the following equal to. Select COUNTBLANK. Again select the range. Close the bracket, enter. Then it will show all the blank cells count in the selected range. And just remember that COUNTBLANK will count the cells with a formula or formula returns a cell as a blank. Let's check it. And here it is considering it as blank cell. Like this, we can use count, COUNTA and COUNTBLANK formulas in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.